This video will show you how to do an Italian tubular bind off, which will allow you to graft your stitches together without having to separate them onto two needles. It is a wonderfully neat and stretchy bind off and results in a very clean, rounded edge, which will match perfectly with your Italian tubular cast on. To do this, you need to cut your yarn so that you have a 3 to 4 times longer tail than your work. Once you've done that, thread your tapestry needle and we're ready to go. The first thing you have to do is work the setup. Very simple. Insert your needle purlwise and leave that stitch on your knitting needle. Then take your tapestry needle to the back of your work. Insert it between these two stitches from back to front. Pull your yarn through and then insert it as if to knit, coming out the back of your work again, and bring your yarn out. That's your setup. Now we'll begin the bind off. Insert your needle as if to knit into the first stitch and pull your yarn, dropping that stitch off the needle. Bring your tapestry needle to the second stitch now that's on your knitting needle and insert it as purlwise. And we're leaving that, of course, on because it is the second stitch on your needle. It's a little wonky at the beginning here, so just have patience. Then insert purlwise, pull your yarn through and drop that stitch off. Take your needle to the back, bring it between those two stitches again. Bring your yarn through and do it knitwise to that second needle. Again, bringing your yarn to the back of your work. Then you're going to knit that first stitch off, pulling your yarn through. Now that we're going, we can do that. And then insert it purlwise, leave on. Purl off. Yarn to the back, knit on. So I'm going to go here, knit, and of course that stitch stays on. So it's very easy to remember if you just say knit off, purl on, purl off, yarn to the back, bring it to the front, knit on. And I'll show you what to do when you get to your last few stitches. Okay, so now I'm at my last 3 stitches and I'm going to bring my yarn to the front of the work and I'm going to knit on, as I've been doing. Then I'm going to knit off, snug a little, bring my needle and purl on, purl off, slide it off, snug it, and my last stitch on this will be a knit off. Move my needle, snug it a little bit, and there you have it. Your Italian tubular bind off that matches your Italian tubular cast on.